All right, so I'm working on a dog kennel. Been working on it for several months when I have spare time. But anyway, working on a dog kennel for my wife. It's going to go in our living room, and I've never used edge banding before. And I figured I haven't seen many videos on doing edge banding, so I figured I'd do a little quick one here. What I did is I just taped it on the edge right here, all the way around. And as you can see, I'm not done with it, but all I'm doing is just taking a regular Black and Decker, iron or whatever, and just holding it in place, and I'm just ironing it down just a little bit at a time. Like I say, I don't know if I'm doing this right or not, because I haven't found many tutorials on this. I figured I'd make a little quick video. And I bought this stuff off of Amazon, and this is construction grade lumber. And it's nothing fancy. It's just pine. Uh, it's what you got to build stuff out of whenever you're on a budget. So, but yeah, I guess I'm doing this right, and then I'll go back over it. I don't have the tool to smooth out the edge, so I'll just run over it with some sandpaper. Going this way, not to knock it off this way. Like I say, this isn't right. Let me know. This is my first time ever doing this. I got the iron as hot as I could get it. I'm just pressing down, making sure I'm getting both top and bottom, trying to make sure it's even all the way across. And that's it. Thank you for watching. So I got a little section of stuff, and right here, this is 220 grit. So all I'm going to do is just sand it, coming back this way. Just try not to catch it, because I can catch my finger. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I can catch my finger right there. So all I'm doing is just trying to feather it down. I know they sell a trim tool and everything. My local hardware store didn't have it, and I forgot to order it. Yeah. Anyway, this will take a little bit of time, but that's all I'm gonna do with it. probably get a block or whatever and put paper on it. This is working just fine. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to take and paint this afterwards. Anyway, I gotta do the whole edge. This thing's like 7 foot long, so this is how it turned out after I sanded it. I still need to sand the whole top, clean it off, get rid of these pencil marks and stuff. I was gonna try to put a top, like a riser on top of this, but I think we just need the dog kennel in the house. Anyway, I think it turned out pretty decent looking. I still got to trim the back sections. I'm not doing anything back there because it's going to be up against the wall. You're not really going to see it unless you move it. But this is a big monstrosity. And we used to have 3 dogs, and now we have 2. And one of them is a smaller dog, so he's going to have a huge house whenever he's got to be put up. That's the edge banding that I bought. I bought 2 rolls of it last year sometimes. I don't even remember what store I bought it from. Anyway, that's if you can pause and get the barcode or number if you want to, and see if you can use it, for some of your projects.